Microsoft's cloud-first strategy has changed the way email and productivity applications like Microsoft SharePoint, OneDrive for Business, and Office are managed and delivered. With Office 365, Microsoft eliminates the need for IT organizations to manage the hardware and software for these systems. As Microsoft is managing the infrastructure, many users assume that their data is safe and recoverable. This is not the case. Data in SaaS is not automatically backed up, and customers need to take responsibility for protecting data, especially email, archiving it, and making it recoverable. Unless your customers take action, their data may be at risk without them even knowing it. Your customers need to ask themselves, is my Office 365 data mission critical? How would I recover data loss from Office 365? Are there any compliance requirements such as GDPR that include Office 365 data? Is my Office 365 data protected against external threats like ransomware or internal threats from a disgruntled employee? Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365 is the peace of mind solution that can back up critical data to any location, including on-premises, a hyperscale cloud, or a service provider. Veeam has the answers your customers are searching for. Visit the Pro Partner portal today or call Veeam Direct to learn more about the backup and protection solutions your customers need.